Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to create a new file in Adobe Photoshop. Let us start. Click on the file menu, a drop down will open, then there is first option new, click on it. Then a dialog box will open. Here give the name to your file like I am giving ABC. You can now specify the width and height for a file. There are different formats pixels, inches, centimeters, and many more. Type the width in pixels, how many pixels you want, and the height. Then the resolution is there 72 by default, that are pixels per inch. You can increase it also or decrease it as per your requirement. Then there is a color mode RGB, CMYK, lab colors. You can use as per your requirement. By default, it is RGB. Then the background content, that is white, and click on OK. A file is created with the name ABC. By default, this file is saved as abc.psd. We can see that file in my images folder. See here, this file is saved with the file extension .psd. Means this file is editable. You can edit anytime. Then after doing the complete work, if you have completed your work, editing of the image, making any new content, then we can save this file with different formats that can be shared in the public or any person. So click on file, then save as. Here type the name of the file, any name, or it can be the same name also. Then there is an option format. Click on it, a drop down will open. From here, there are different formats of the image file. You can save it as per your requirement like JPG, PNG, PDF, any file. I am saving here as a JPG file. I will click on this. Now this is JPG format. Click on save. Then quality 12 maximum you can change as per your requirement. Click on OK. Now this file, empty file is saved as ABC. So this is how we can create the new document and save the file as .psd for editing in the future if you want to work in parts, or after completing the work we can finally save the file in any format like jpg, png as per our requirement. I hope you would have liked this video. If liked, please share with your friends, press the bell icon for latest updates, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.